Hi, it's Brian Decker with your Market Minute. I want to talk to you today about an idea that I saw with Morgan Housel titled The Four Most Dangerous Financial Traits. I'll talk about them quickly and summarize. But number one is FOMO, fear of missing out. That is a killer with the stock market, especially, or I guess in any investment instruments. If it's the rage of the day, that rarely has been good. So fear of missing out. The opposite of that is doing your studies, knowing why you're in a position or an investment and sticking with it or not entering it to begin with. But FOMO is number one. Number two is demanding certainty where none exists. In the money markets and in CDs and MYGAs, there does exist certainty. You have a principal guaranteed rate fixed for a certain period. But when it comes to the investments that give you the higher returns, the highest returns, there does not exist certainty. Not in the stock market, not in the equity markets, not in the variable rate fixed index arena. That's where we're getting the highest rates, but there is no certainty in that locked in rate. And that's where you're getting the higher rates. That's giving you inflation protection. And we've got to have that with a rising interest rate environment. So number two is demanding certainty where none exists. The third is impatience, judging an investment strategy in days, weeks, or months instead of letting it work. Again, doing homework, making sure that it is sound, but letting it work for you. Impatience blows people out of good investments way too soon. And the last is gullibility. Gullibility is a killer, and sadly, where at least the state of Utah, one of our markets, has the highest incidence of being taken by someone who had illegal intentions and has taken people's money and they end up going to prison. So gullibility, the opposite of that is, again, I think the answer is doing your homework and making sure that what is recommended is sound and it meets all the objectives of what you're looking for in a retirement plan. We pride ourselves on doing sound research and putting things in place that do work for our clients. So this is Brian Decker. Hope you have a great rest of your week.